it's me Navya and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be unboxing the GoPro Hero 7 Black. So my birthday is coming up, which is on 23rd March, so my dad got me this gift. So I'm gonna unbox this GoPro Hero 7 Black. So basically it has a tripod, it can live stream and it's also waterproof. So let me just show you guys how does this look. This is the back side. I think it has 1 year warranty on it. I'm not sure, but yeah. This is the side. I think these are the accessories included. Oh, we can have a slow-mo also, and then yeah. And this is the second side. So, well, that's the packaging of GoPro Hero 7 Black. I think this is the latest one, and I think, yeah, it is the latest one, and the packaging looks really cool. I just love how it looks. So without further ado, let's get opening. It has already ripped here, so that's as you guys can see, warranty card is there. So I'm making my videos from GoPro 7 instead of making from the phones. So it comes with this passport program, something. So this is how this looks. This is the GoPro 7 Hero Black. No, it's, yeah, whatever I can say. It's a special bundle. I don't know what this is. How to open it? Well, okay, I think I noticed this. I think we're supposed to pull this. Oh, this is fancy. Oh. Why is it not coming out? Oh god. So we pull our GoPro. This box is so damn heavy because of this, and this is so light, kind of light. So this is our GoPro Hero 7 Black. Okay, so this is for adjustment. So now I'm gonna try to, okay, so this tells how do you remove this. I don't know how, I don't understand this. So you can see the recording going on over here, and just that picture which is there. So I'm gonna start removing this. Okay. So this comes with a lot of manual. This fat thing is all manual. Great. And then we have the GoPro app. So if you guys want to buy, you're supposed to download the GoPro app, and it can connect to your helmet. And how do you connect everything? It's telling over here. Next, we're gonna pull out. This is like so fancy, guys. So I think this is all the SIMs which is supposed to be there. It comes with, I think this is what you're supposed to put on the helmet when you're recording, and then this is the battery, I guess. I'm not really sure. So there's one more battery. I'm not sure that's what are these. So this is a wire. So yeah, there's something inside. Oh, obviously this has its tripod here. So this is its tripod, but you can open and put. I think there was a picture over here. No. So you open it and then you fix it and then it fix it. So my dad is gonna take this out because I have no idea how to remove it. So for the next video, I'll be showing you guys everything. So for now, bye.